that I asked you to do for homework, and you did really well today. So let's take a look at this. So let's look at the first one. The first one says 4/5 divided by 2, right? So if I have 4/5 of a pizza, and I want to divide it with my two friends, how much will I get? So let's shade what I have. What I have is this. I have 1/4, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. That's how much I have. Now, if I have two friends, I want you to take a really quick look before we start cutting anything. Do I really need to cut this in half, cut this in half, cut this in half, cut this in half? Do I really need to? So let me just go back. Because I can give Armir this one, and then I can give Camila this one and this one. So do I really need to, in this case, cut them up into twos and twos and twos? I didn't have to, because look, it's fair, right? Armir got 2, Camila got 2. So how much did Armir get? He got 2 out of how many? 5. And how much did Camila get? She also got 2 out of 5. So the answer is 2/5. Next one, 7/8. So again, we can do, so 8 is okay. So 4, cut that like that. And now that's 7. There's 8 pieces here. So let's shade. I want to shade 7, right? Because that's how much I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I have 7 pieces. Now this one, I want to divide them again with my two friends. So I give Camila, or sorry, Armir 3, Barry 3. Oops, and the last one, that's not going to work, right? So it's not even. So in this case, we need to cut them into halves. So let's cut them into halves. Cut this in 2. Cut that 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 in 2. And we even cut the last one in 2 as well. So how many pieces do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14, 14 slices of pizza, right? 2 of them we already ate. So there's 14, which means I'm going to give Armir 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And Camila 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how much did they each get? They each got 7. They each got 7, right? So that's fair. But what was the total amount? Well, the total amount, if you count, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And let's count the 2 other here, 15 and 16. And that's your answer. Next one is 2/3 divided by 3. So let's draw 2/3. There's thirds, right? 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Let's shade 2/3, and this is how much I have, right? Because 1 is already gone. There's no imas. And we're gonna share with 3 friends. Uh-oh. So here, let's split it up into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, and then this bottom one, 1, 2, 3. And even this one, we're also gonna cut into 3 parts. So we're gonna 3 people. Let's call them A, B, C. A, B, and C, right? Friend A, and then friend A, friend B, friend C. Okay, so how many did they each get? Well, if you look at it, A got 2 pieces, B got 2 pieces, C got 2 pieces. So A got 2 pieces, but how many in total? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2 out of 9. So everybody got 2 out of 9, 2 out of 9, 2 out of 9. 4/5. You know what? Let's change it. Let's do a rectangle. So I'm going to make a big one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's shade in 3. Okay, we're going to shade in 4. I'm sorry. Right? 4. Uno, yellow kumi. 1 I already ate. So we have 4 bars of chocolate, right? There were 5, but I ate 1, so we have 4. So now I want to share with how many friends? 3 friends. Well, in that case, let's cut each one in threes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. And again, let's call friend A, B, C, right? So A, person B, person C. Person A, person B, person C. Person A, person B, person C. Person A, person B, person C. And what did I forget to do? Well, I forgot to cut this into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So let's see if everybody got the same amount. If you look at it, person A got 1, 2, 3, 4. He got 4. What about person B? 1, 2, 3, 4. And person C? 1, 2, 3, 4. So everybody got 4. Everybody got 4. That was fair. 4 out of what? How many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 4 out of 15. Okay, so everybody got a little bit. 4 out of 15. Okay, let's do this one. So 1/4. You know what? I like circles. So much easier. Well, it's really up to you. So let's shade 1/4. 1/4. Oops. That's 1/4 right there. And I have 1/4 of a piece I want to share with 4 friends. So I have to cut this in 4 parts. 1, 2, and then 3, 4, right? So my friend A will have 1 piece, my friend B, my friend C, and my friend D. So, and don't forget that we have to cut all the other ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So everybody got 1 out of what? Everybody got 1 out of, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Everybody got a very tiny, tiny slice. 1 out of 16. 3/4. Here's 3/4. Right? We have 3/4. And we want to share with 4 friends. So let's cut everything into 4 pieces. Right? So I cut that to 4. Oops. That's ugly. Right? A, B, C, D. Right? And we'll cut this into 4s. A, B, C, D. E l'ultimo in 4. And A, B, C, D. And then don't forget we have to cut this one too, right? But nobody gets any because that's not available. So my friend A got 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. My friend B got 1, 2, 3. In a second. Oh, it's 4 people. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3. My friend C got 1, 2, 3. And this is a D, by the way. And my friend D got also 3 pieces. So everybody got 3. But 3 out of how many pieces? How many are in total? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So everybody got 3 out of 16. Okay. Now, I love that you guys asked that you guys knew right away today that you had to make an extra circle or extra shape here because the numerator was greater, right? So that was beautiful. So 7/5, we're going to need 2 circles. You cut them into 5. Okay, and let's shade 7/5. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then 6, 7. So I'm gonna share that into 3 friends, right? So we're gonna have to cut everything to 3 parts. 3 parts, 3 parts, 3 parts, 3 parts, 3 parts, even here too. 3 parts, 3 parts. And then we're gonna cut the other thing 3 parts, cut them in 3, cut them in 3. So 3 friends, right? So it's going to be, let's see, I know you have to do this really neat. A, B, C. The other friend, A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, and C. A, B, and C, and A, B, and C. So we have 3 friends. So my friend who's A got how many pieces? He got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He got 7 pieces, which means hopefully everybody got 7 pieces. So let's just confirm. My friend B got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Everybody gets 7 pieces, and my friend C is also going to have 7 pieces. But 7 out of, what's the total? So just look at one circle, and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we have 7 out of 15. So that's my answer. Okay. 3 over 8. This one, we're going to need 3 circles. So let's shade in what we have. 1 over 3, 2 over 3, 3 over 3, 4 over 3, 5 over 3, 6 over 3, 7 over 3, and 8 over 3. Okay, so we have 8 over 3, and you have divided by 5. Oh my God, so we have person A, person B, C, D, 5 friends. Ugh. So this is going to be, we're going to cut each part into 5s. Yikes, so let's cut this into 1, 2, 3 each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, B, C, D, E. Right? So we're going to do the same thing. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, B, C, D, E. All right, so let's do the bottom part. So how many total pieces do I have here? Let's count the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we know it's out of 15. Right? So person A in this, right? In this one, he got 1 circle. 1, 2, 3. He's gonna get another one here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he's gonna get 8 out of 15. Okay, so let's just confirm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D. Did I go E? Yeah, it's supposed to be E. And then here it's going to be A, B, C, D, E. So another A, B, C, A, B, C, D, E. Let me just circle, right? Because I want to show you that so far we have. Let me shade this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for A, and then he's going to get 2 more slices here. 1, A, B, C, D, E, and A, B, C, D, E, and he's going to get 1 more over here, 1 more over here. So total, how many pieces did he get? He got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of, and just count how many parts around the circle, and that gives you 15. Oh, and let's not forget to break this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 15 parts. So final answer, every person gets 8 out of 15. Okay. So what's next? I know you have a second page. Okay, so this one. Ooh. All right, so he wants a kind of rope. So again, let's do a rope. So a rope, ugh. Right? So let me let me do a rope like this. And this is half. Right? So let me shade it. Let me shade it in yellow. Oops. Yellow. He has half. Right? And then he's going to cut, so he's going to get half divided by 3. So we're going to cut this into 3 parts. Right? A, B, and C. But don't forget we have to cut this one as well. Right? So how much did A get? A got 1 out of 6. All right, so if you want to draw a circle, right, we shade half. All right, this is half. And then we're going to cut it into 3 because there's 3 pieces, right? 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, and don't forget we have to cut the other side. So how much did A got? A got 1 out of how many? 6. So whether you use a square or this, you get the same answer. Laurie had half a bag of candy and shared with 3 friends. What fraction of bag did each of the 4 children get? Okay, so it's 3 friends plus her. Okay, so half a bag. Again, here's a bag of candy. Let's draw half. So we have half here. Half a bag of the candy, lleno de candy, Halloween candy. And we're going to share this with 3 friends. 3 friends plus her, so son 4 personas. 3 amigos y ellos, there's 4 people. I'm going to share into 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's break the other side into 4. Right? A, B, C, D. 4 personas. How much did each person get? Every person got 1/8. Okay, see if there were 64 pieces, right? If there were 64 pieces, so again, if there's 64 candy in the bag, and we divide it by 8, 64 divided by 8, it means that this person got 8, this person got 8, this person got 8, this person got 8, this is 8, this is 8, this is 8, this is 8, right? Each section is 8 candies. 3 dinner guests share 2/3 of a pan of cornbread. Okay, so cornbread, if you have never had cornbread, it's pretty good. So how much did they each get? So cornbread, let's do a square. So this is a piece of bread cut into thirds. I'm going to shade what we have. We have 2/3 bread left over. And 3 people are going to share this. So A, B, and C. Let's cut the other one in 3. A, B, and C. And don't forget to cut this as well. So how much did each friend guess? Well, person A got 2 pieces, person B got 2 pieces, and person C got 2 pieces. So everybody got 2 out of how many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So everybody got 2/9 of a piece. 10, 5 cousins shared a birthday cake. Aquí está un birthday, un cake. And it's 3/4. So let's highlight 3/4. And we're going to share this with 5 people. Ugh. All right, so A, B, C, D, E, right? A, B, C, D, E. 5 personas. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. And otra vez A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. 5 people. So everybody gets, person A got cada uno. If you look at this, person A got 1, 3. So he got 3. No. 3 people, 3, and then the last one we got cut into 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So everybody gets 3 pieces, right? ¿De cuánto? De 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Everybody gets 3 pieces out of 20. Okay? Okay, so Sarah had 1/3 cup of cheese. Okay, so I'm going to do it this way. this way. Okay, so he had cheese, right? 1 cup, but 1/3, solo 1/3. So let me shade que ya tenía solo esto. 1/3, ay, ay, ay. 1/3, aquí está. 1/3 cup of cheese. And we're going to divide this into 4 salads. We're going to divide the queso, we divide, so 1/3 divided by 4, or 4 friends, 4 salads. So let's cut this into 4, para 4 amigos, and we cut everybody in 4s. Right? Salad A, salad B, salad C, salad D. Cada uno cogete un poquito. So, everybody got 1, right? 1 out of how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Everybody got 1 out of 12. Mr. Cho had 1/8 ream of paper again, so yeah, let's do it this way. 1/8. So 1/8 I have this much paper. And I want to share that with 3 students. I want to share with Camila, Jaslyn, and Rachel. Okay? So, but don't forget, we have to cut este y este también. This one and this one, right? We have to cut all the same. So how much did Camila get? Well, Camila got 1 piece. ¿De cuántos? ¿Cuántos totales? You have to count. So there's 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 times 8. 1 out of 24. So everybody, Camila got 1 out of 24. Jaslyn got 1 out of 24. And Rachel got 1 out of 24. And the last 2 questions, it didn't have to be fractions. Okay. So it goes back to what I was talking to you, the sharing problem. If I have $10 and I want to share with 2 friends, right? It's going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So friend A gets $5, friend B. This is a sharing problem. Okay? So the other one is a grouping, and we can use the same numbers. So how many groups of 2 can I make in 10? So I can make right? If you go to gym class and there's 10 students and Mr. Toner, your gym teacher says, I want you to go and make groups of 2. There's 1 group, 2 students, 2 students, 2 students, 2 students. How many groups can we make? 5. Okay, so that's just 2 different ways of seeing this. All right, that's it.